Hello everyone, it's Laurel here from Forever Purple Creations, and I have a bit of a shop share and a happy mail at the same time. I have a new setup, so my desk is still a little wobbly yet. I'm working on that. I'm now standing and in a different position. My webcam is attached to a tripod and stuff, so a little bit different view, less of the bright light that's always on the corner, and I have much more working space to have things around me to where it's not all in the center of my desk. Anyway, I hope everybody's doing well. Miss all you guys. Um, I'm going to do this and then sometime over the holiday weekend, I will be back on. I will be coming live to, of course, work on some tags because everybody's working on tags lately for the Fab Tag 30 Challenge by Tracie Fox and Artie Mays. I'm not quite at the 30. I'm kind of just doing it for fun. I do have both of the kits, and now I'm just working with the tags. I did show one tag that I did. I had a whole bunch ready to start again, and I just recently started working, not driving the bus, but all the buses need to be cleaned, and I signed up for it and got it. So it's 5 hours of grueling cleaning every square inch of the bus in this 90-degree weather that we've been having for days and days and days. So I'm a little wiped out when I get home. My energy is pretty much shot, and it usually doesn't kick in until like around now. I kind of just chill for a few hours when I get home. Anyway, so you'll be seeing me on shortly, trying to get back on and come on and do some things with you guys. But right now I want to do this. So I got this package the other day. Had no idea who it was from. I started to open it. I opened it up, but I didn't go through anything because I felt like I needed to come on and share with you guys once I realized what it was. I did go over to her shop. I had an idea of what I thought it was and then found out. So her shop name, her Etsy shop is called SparrowHawker Designs, and her name is Loretta. She's been on Etsy, I think, for a year. She doesn't have a big shop, but I think she does specialty things and puts them in, and then when they sell, she does other things. So, because this one is not in the shop now, so I'm going to go ahead. And it was packaged beautifully, of course, all in purple, and it was packaged with this beautiful washi tape. And I know you're seeing the light right now, but once I take this bag out, you won't anymore. Um, so I had to keep the washi, so I just stuck it on the Ziploc bag. So it was wrapped in this gorgeous purple tissue with little silver specks all in it, which you guys know I love anything with my purple. And look, no more bright light anywhere that I have to cover up. And this is my new purple matte, although I guess you would call it lavender. Still a shade of purple. So this is what you'll be looking at. The only thing that I'm disappointed is that they put these blocks on here. I would have liked it to just been a solid color, but it does help you keep center. I know this is my center. Look at that. I know where my center is now. So let's go ahead. I'm going to open it. So this is all I've seen so far. I opened it and then there was a piece of paper and I saw it sticking out, so I pulled that out. So not knowing who this person was or their shop or why I got this little note was in there, and it says, "A surprise from your mother." And then it made sense. As you guys all know, my mom is Jeannie Dreemer. Some of my friends didn't realize that, but yes, Jeannie Dreemer is my mother. So this came from her, and I did talk to her, and I'll explain to you a little bit because I wasn't quite sure why I got a gift. So let me move this tissue and we will go through it because I haven't seen any of it yet either. So I'm kind of excited. I think it goes this way. So it came with this beautiful tag, ATC card, whatever you want to call it. It has this beautiful image on it, and we all know, and my screen just went out, so I can't see, so I got to bump it a sec. We all know I love my butterflies. So this is beautiful, and she's got some washi on here. And it is layered on a book page with some stenciling. She did some stamping with stencils, which I really love. And then on the back it says, "Thank you for your purchase, SparrowHawker Designs." So that is her Etsy shop. I will make sure to put a link in the description box below. I know she does have more of these. When I get further along and tell you what it is, you'll know. Um, she just doesn't have the purple, but I believe she had 4 other kits when I checked. Whether she still does, I don't know. And then I believe she has some digitals as well. So, and love those flowers. So this is really pretty. So I'm looking at it going, when you look at this and you see this, and I'm thinking a fabric book maybe? I'm not sure. So I talked to my mother, and I don't know if it says in here anywhere what it is, but we're going to go through everything. It's actually a slow stitch kit. And my mom said, I said, "I'm not sure why you sent me a gift." She's like, "Well, I know you like, to do tedious things." And she's like, "I just thought maybe you'd like to do this for some relaxation," which I obviously need to do a lot of. Um, so I just thought it was really, really sweet of my mom to send me that and think of me. And then she found out I'm working, and she's like, "Well, maybe you won't have time." I'm like, I'm out the door by 5:45 and I'm home by 11, so it's only 5 hours, but a very grueling 5 hours. So anyway, I will be working on it. It is wrapped in some gorgeous purple sari, and we know that all these strings like to hang out together, so this will definitely get reused. It may get reused in this. I'm not sure. Um, and my webcam seems to be jumping lately. It says I have an older version, so I'm going to have to check that out too. So we're going to go through let's go through the big stuff first, then we'll go through that. So it has this beautiful piece of purple lace. Guys know I never have enough purple. This is really pretty, and I think it's folded in half. It is. It's very dainty. It's really pretty. So we have some of that. And then we have a white, and it looks like the same pattern, or a cream, the same pattern or design as that purple one. And then this beautiful one. I like this. Looking at it over on my screen, it's really pretty. And then this one. Just very light, dainty laces, which I love. And this one's really pretty. I love the wide laces. I love that. Look, can you see oh, I need like a white piece of paper. So you guys, let's see if I can do it on here. Let me fold this paper over. I know it's notebook paper, but you should still be able to see it. I never have a piece of paper handy when I need one. But do you see that pattern up in there? I think that's really pretty. So we have that one. Oh, and then this one, which is a white, again, or a light cream. I don't want to say it's white because it doesn't look white. And then this beautiful one, love this with the little embroidered flowers on it. This is like a really tough one for me because I really have to look and go, which is the front and which is the back. I believe this is the back and this is the front. So that's really pretty. And then it's got the netting in here. But those are little embroidered flowers. I'm quite sure they're probably machine embroidered. I'm not sure. I don't really know how to tell the difference from, unless I'm doing it myself. And then we have this one. Beautiful flower in it. And then this one. Now this is a beige. And this one can actually be cut right down the middle and become 2 if you'd like it to. Or you can cut it on each side and have this centerpiece. So that's that one. I really like this new setup. I just feel like I have more room and I can reach things easier because I'm standing and not sitting. And then we have some burlap. Cut this up and make little embellishments. My camera keeps going out. I'm not sure why. And then just some little fabric squares. This is a white with a little pattern on it. I think my camera likes it much better over here for sure. Everything's coming in nice and clear. And then there's two of these. And it's weird, the purple is actually looking purple, although, well, this one kind of looks blue, but it is purple. So this is a long piece of this one. It's folded in half. Love all these different textures and fabrics together. And that is a purple flower in the center of there. Not sure if you guys can see that. And I see I need to move my cord. It's like right there by my hand. That is really pretty. Oh, love this one. This looks like it's got purple roses in it. I'm not sure, but it is purple as purple could be, not blue. It's really pretty. I really don't like that really vibrant purples come out blue on here. And then we have this one. That's pretty. It's little bitty flowers. Those are little flowers. This is gorgeous, and this is like outlined in a really, is that a thread? No, that's some kind of, it's actually done on the fabric. I don't know if you can see that. It's got a silver outline all around the whole thing. It is outlined in the silver and inside the leaves. I think you guys can see that. That is really pretty. And then it's like different shades of purple in the back. Kind of, not variegated, but then we have this one. This sure is a lot of stuff here. I'm going to be slow stitching for a while. That's really pretty. And this, oh, I like this one. Look at the leaves. Isn't that pretty? Love that. And then this one. Very pretty. Oh my goodness, there's just a ton of fabrics in here. This one, and it's a big piece. It's folded. These are all folded in half, so you get quite a bit in here. That's really pretty. That almost looks like a ticking, but I'm not a pro on my fabrics, but it's what it looks like to me. And then this one, love these. That's really pretty. Oh, look at this one. That's different. All little fans. That is really pretty. And none of these are fabrics that I have, which is nice. And then you get this big piece of, I want to say batting, but I know I'm not calling it the right thing, but you get a really, really, so those four and then these four, it's all one big piece. And you get all of that, which I'm sure will come in handy with the amount of fabric that you're getting. So you could make a fabric cover for a journal if you'd like. I'm guessing you could make just about anything out of it. All right, let's move this over. I love this little card. Let's move that over and let's open this little back. And more pretty purples. So, ooh, this is an applique, and it's like it has purples and teals, and that's really pretty. And there's two of them. You could actually cut all these little pieces apart. So we have that one. And then this one, which is very textured. It's little flowers. Oh, and then a bunch of little squares. Or, oh boy, yeah, that looks like a square, doesn't it? Hexagon, I think. Stop sign, right? 1, 2, 3. Nope, this has 6. Hexagon have 6? Oh, I don't know, you guys. I'm usually really good at math, but not right now. It's not working. But there's a bunch of these, so you could actually stitch all of these together and make a little pattern with them. Sorry, I'm just trying to show them to you really quick because they're really pretty. And they're all different purples and stuff. That one. And this one, the fans. And this one. So you can make different designs with these. These are really pretty. I love all these little things. You guys know me and my little things. Oh, I just love it. Look at the little purple flowers in there. And my screen just went out again. That one. I don't know why it keeps timing out so quick. It never does that. And then this is that white one with the flowers on it. So you get those, and then you get, you get a bunch of circles. That one. And let's see if I can get them all apart here. That one. These are all really pretty. Love those leaves. Can you guys see those? I'm probably too far away. I should probably show you like this. That one. And oh my goodness. Come on. That's really pretty. And of course, it's got purple in there. That one. So I'm going to be doing, I love the variegated back there. Lots of slow stitching here. I'm going to have to really think up how I want to use these and what I may want to make with them. You can actually use these all little separate and make little snippets and do some embroidery and add some paper to them, which might be a good idea. It's nice to have all this pre-cut. This is, can you guys see that pattern on there? I think you can. That's really pretty. And then this one, which is just like a muslin. Then you get bigger circles. Oh, those are cool. Oh, look at that. Oh man, I'm getting excited. This one, which is polka dots. That's really pretty. And this one. And this one. This is great because you can take all these little pieces and just make little snippets with all the fabric. Look at that. That is so cute. I absolutely love that. Definitely going to be putting that on the front of a journal. Oh, and look at these. Look at this little embroidery. See, now this is hand embroidery. That I know. I wonder if she does this. I'm trying to teach myself how to do some hand embroidery along with my bead embroidery. Up, and then I have a butterfly. Love that. Ooh, hot air balloon. Love my hot air balloons. And some hearts. Aw, this is that one, again, that has that pattern on it. That's really pretty. And then a purple. And then a beautiful, this is definitely a vintage doily. And this is some tiny thread. I know. It's not tatting. It's either bobbin lace or a type of crochet. It's super duper small. I mean, it's probably like the size of regular thread. I mean, you can see it. It's super thin. These are little picots, but there's little thin pieces. It's like the thickness of thread. So this is gorgeous. So this is by Loretta at SparrowHawker Designs. Like I said, I will put a link to her Etsy shop below. You can go check her out. She had, I don't want to say now, she had 4 more of these ranging in different colors, but this is actually a beautiful little kit to work with and do some slow stitching. And besides all these, you get all the laces and then the fabrics and the batting. So yes, I think it is a great little kit to do some slow stitching on. And of course, this tag will have to go with something somewhere. So thank you, Mom. That was really, really sweet. I will do my best to get to working on this one. I need to relax a little bit, and now I can practice some of my embroidery stitches. So I'm probably going to mix fabric and paper. I like to mix everything together. I don't just like all paper or all fabric. I like metals in there and just all kinds of things. So we will see what I can come up with. Maybe I'll sit and work on some of this on a live. We'll have to see. So again, this is SparrowHawker Designs on Etsy. It'll be linked below. I will also link my mom's channel below, which is Jeannie Dreemer. I'm sure a lot of you know who she is. So thanks again, Mom. I hope you go over and check her out. I hope you all have a wonderful, see it shaky? The webcam's not moving, but the table is. I hope you all have a wonderful holiday weekend and stay safe. I will be enjoying staying in the air conditioning after the week that I've had. So I'm just going to be doing some crafting and things, and I will be coming on and going live. So I hope to see you guys there. Have a wonderful holiday. Don't forget to get out there and create something, and I will see you all soon. Bye.